This lesson is about mixed numbers and improper fractions and how to convert back and forth. So a mixed number is just what it says. It's mixed regular numbers with fractions. That's the easy one to remember. So mixed together, mixed number. Like this says 1 and 2/5. So 1 whole plus 2/5 mixed together. That is the same as 7/5, which means that 5/5 would be 1 whole, and then 2 more fifths would be 5, 6, 7, 7/5. So improper means it's too big on the top. It's bigger than the bottom. It means it's more than 1. So improper is more than 1, too big on the top. Mixed is mixed together. Here's an example from our book that is comparing different shapes on top of each other. So if you say a hexagon is 1, what are 5 trapezoids worth? So let's put them on top. 1, 2, that would make 1. And then 1, 2 would make 2. And then you'd have a half left over, 1 out of 2. So the mixed number would be, get a pen, 2 wholes and 1 out of 2 left. Mixed number 2 and 1/2. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's equal to 5 halves as an improper fraction. More than 1 on top. 2 halves would be 1. Let's practice some. So here's an example. Fractions greater than 1 can be written in several different ways. If a circle is worth 1, what is this worth? The mixed number name is 2 3/4. 1, 2, and 3 out of 4 would fit in there. 2 3/4 means 2 plus 3/4. The fraction name is 11/4. So if we think of 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, we're thinking of the individual parts when we do improper fractions. So 2 3/4 is the same as 2 plus 3/4, which is the same as 11/4, are just different names for the same number. So what would this one be called as an improper fraction? We count each of the pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. The denominator is going to be 4 on both of them because the denominator tells you how many can fit in each piece. So the mixed number and the improper fraction, the denominator is going to stay the same. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7/4. Which as a mixed number, how many are full? 1. So it goes in front. 1 full one. And 1, 2, 3 parts of 1. So those two numbers are the same. Improper, you count each piece. Mixed, you take the whole pieces out and put them in front. Let's practice some. So these are thirds. So both of these are going to have a 3 on the bottom. And I like to show that right away because I want to show that that part doesn't change when you change from improper to mixed or mixed to improper. Whoops, this one should say mixed. All right, for improper, we count all the parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the bottom number is a 3 because each piece is divided into 3. For mixed, we count how many are full ones. 1. And then 1 left over out of 3. To get from here to here, I can just do 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4, 4/3. Try this one. Pause if you need to, and then we'll go over it. My labels are getting mixed up. This is improper. You can figure it out while I'm writing the word. Okay, mixed number. Ooh, what's the bottom number going to be first? Each is divided into 2. That stays the same on both of them. Improper, count them, all the pieces. 1 that are colored, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 halves, or 5 over 2. Mixed number, count the whole pieces that are full. 1, 2, 2 full ones, and 1 half. So that 2 that looks like 21 halves, but it's not. It's 2 in the front. All right, try this one. While you're trying it, I'll fix my labels. This is the mixed number. I changed the order there. This is the improper fraction. How many pieces are each divided into? 1, 2, 3, 4. So they're both 4. Improper, count all the pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 fours. Mixed, how many full ones? 1, 2. Put a 2 in the front. And 1 part of 1. 2 and 1/4. Kind of looking ahead, I can get from this to this easy without the pictures. 2 sets of 4 is 8. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9 fourths. The other way I can divide it. 4 goes into 9 2 times, and there'd be 1 left over. All right, practice this one. Sorry about the labels being mixed up. Still need more time, pause it. All right, let's do the mixed number first this time. 1 full, 2, 3. 3 full ones. You see that each piece holds 3. 2, 3. So I have 3 full and 1 left over. 3 and 1/3. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10, so this should be 10 thirds. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 thirds. Try this one. They're each divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. Mixed number, count the whole ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 are full. And 1, 2, 3 leftover pieces out of 5. Ooh, think about this. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 3 more is 23, so this should be 23 as improper. Squishing itself, I always call it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. Yep, 23 fifths. Try that one. Two pieces in each one. Let's do improper first this time. Count all the pieces. I might count by twos because that's full. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. If I think about it, how many 2's go into 11? 5. With 1 left over. 5.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1/2. Try this one. I'm going to put an M for mixed. Each has 4 pieces. Let's do improper first. I'm going to count by 4s. 4, 8, 12, and then there's 2 left over. 13, 14. 14 divided by 4 is 3, with 2 left over. 1, 2, 3 full, with 1, 2 left over. Give this one a try. Pause if you need to. I do always like to put my denominator first. Let's do mixed first. 1, 2, 3, 4 are full. Need a big 4 out front. And 1, 2, 3, 4 left over. 4 and 4/5. Let's try figuring it out before we count them. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 4 more is 24. So this should be 24 on top. Let's count them. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. All right, this is just a reminder that fractions are equal to or greater than 1 are called improper fractions. And this is an example of using rhombuses. Can you tell me 3 true things? Well, I like the way this shows that 3 would fit into each one. So I could do, this would be 1 whole. I'm circling 3's because 3 fit in each one. 2, and 2 left over. But 3 because they fit into 1. All right, practice on J124. The bottom part is like we've just been doing. These you have to figure out how many fit in each one, and here's some clues for that. For my classroom, I made some manipulatives to practice this, and I just like to kind of figure them out as we go, and I'll do that in another video.